PingSunday has the special permission of Coach Chen Kangning. Please don't upload the video without the permission of Coach Chen and PingSunday.
Where do you aim your shots? Listen to me. Spin. The basic hitting is on the left half of the racket. Why? Because you are already in contact with the ball here. Right, isn't it here? At this point, you are already in contact with the ball. Coming back with spin, right. But what if you don't spin? You feel like you're not in contact with the ball below, right? Because you need to utilize this wiping motion to send the ball out. Is it on the right side of the racket? The right half of the racket. Because there is no impact in front of the ball, right? The racket is already in contact with the ball in front. He hasn't touched the ball in front. He utilizes this wiping motion to send the ball out. Then he wipes the ball out. So you're saying it's the upper half of the racket, right? Yes, correct. So obvious. Not spinning, right? So the lower half of the racket. Does it touch the ball first during the friction? Understand my explanation. Not spinning. Oh yeah? You see, first of all, what is it? You need to relax. You see, when I wait for it to come down. You see, I came in gently. See if it floated past. Coming in gently. Snap and use this force, you see. Not spinning, right? Came in gently to see. You see, I didn't put in much effort in spinning it. I just need to catch it this time and he can't survive. This time, catching it already spun. Do you think I put in a lot of effort? If it's a high toss, it's more obvious. I use the force of the ball falling down. Then I can hit it. It's very spin now. And then not spinning. It comes down. Why did it drift away? I didn't touch the ball underneath when reaching for it. Only touched the ball when wiping it back. Your non-rotation is very good. It's just too obvious, isn't it? Why is it too obvious when you look at it? Is it too obvious? So now I am relaxed. I don't touch the ball. When I make contact with the ball, what does it feel like? It's not about giving power. When wiping backward, it's about releasing power. Don't try too hard. Instead, release power. Not going for a spin anymore. The last wipe is about releasing this power. Is this too obvious? This is me actively applying power. When I wipe and touch the ball, I release power and relax. Not spinning is about releasing power. Right. Is it about spinning? A little hidden power. Pulling back. Scrubbing and rubbing. Isn't there also a wiping motion? Spinning is real. Wiping is fake. Not spinning is fake. Wiping is real. This is spinning is real. Wiping is fake. And then not spinning is fake. Wiping is real. Haha. Isn't the motion the same? It's just taking advantage of the timing difference. Spinning correctly. What happens when touching the ball while wiping? Because you come in like this. Then when you go back to touch the ball. And then he will definitely hit it hard. Then subjectively do not think about hitting hard. Subjectively, on the contrary, think about unloading power. Subjectively, soften and unload power. Don't rotate, right? Right. You also feel like I'm not putting much effort. Haha, right? As long as I cut it like this, it's enough. Is the rotation correct? If it doesn't rotate, the speed of the ball coming over is the same, right? If it doesn't rotate. My serve doesn't rotate. If my serve doesn't rotate, do you immediately know? Is the rotation correct? Do you know at a glance if it's not rotating? One is soft, one is bouncy. There must be a difference, right? So, in terms of spin, both of my balls are soft, right? Then it's similar, right? So why not rotate? Finally, you need to unload power. Ha ha ha. You use the force of the ball falling down. He comes to your chest. You must be hitting a short ball. Contact the ball, right? You see that it's definitely short in front of your chest. The hit on the stomach is long. This is the first. The second one slides down. You find the ball underneath. Don't look for the ball underneath here. Where should you exert force? Exert force forward. He's still using pure backspin. Exert force towards the body. He must be doing a side spin. Side spin, right? Third. Find the inner side and bottom of the ball. Exert force towards the chest secondly. To keywords, inner side bottom. What direction should you exert force in? Because you want to hit a short ball. You hit here on the stomach. You can't reach inside. It's quite difficult, isn't it? Then you see me hit a long ball. Same side spin. Where should you exert force? Exert force on the stomach. What's the hitting point? First the stomach and then exert force on the stomach. Or what? Inner bottom part of the ball. Take a look at another one. Side spin, right? Side top spin. Can I find it? Should I hit it forward with force? Find the inner middle part. Here, inner bottom part. Inner middle part. Still hit it towards your body. It depends on whether you hit it long or short. Hit short to the chest. Hit long towards the stomach. What kind of spin is it? Is it a side spin? Clearly a side spin. Is it the inner middle part? Hit it towards your chest with force. Then you look at the long ball. Where should I put my strength? Put strength on the stomach. Why is the hitting point lower for a long ball? Hitting point is higher for a short ball. Hit the long ball towards the opponent's end line. Have you found the difference?
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.